Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial on 6th grade math. Today we'll be discussing surface areas of pyramids. Let's get going on 8.3. I don't think it'll take that long. We've got a couple examples, a couple key ideas, and I'll get you on your way. For the learning targets, I can describe how to find the surface areas of pyramids. And in the first instance that we're going to look at, it's a square pyramid, right? And that's a pyramid with a square base. Here you can see in the red that our base, or our bottom of our pyramid, is a square. And when it's a square, that gives us 4 sides to our pyramid. This is a fairly common pyramid. These remind me of like the pyramids in Egypt. A lot of them have this square pyramid shape. When you unfold it and you make a net, this is what it looks like. Kind of reminds me of like a flower opening in the morning. But use nets if they help you to figure out the surface area. Let's see one of these examples. It says, find the surface area of the square pyramid. Use a net to find the area of each face. Remember, the net is when you take your 3D figure and you unfold it, and this is an example of that. You don't have to do this. I'm not going to require that you do this, but sometimes it's a helpful visual. All right, so what we need to do is first I'll find the area of my bottom or my base. And since it's a square, all I need to do is take 7 squared, or same thing as 7 times 7. This length, this width, 7 times 7 would give me 49, and in this case, meters squared. That would be the area of that bottom. The next thing I need to do is I need to consider the areas of my sides. And since it's a square pyramid, I have 4 sides. So I'll just give you a quick reminder. Remember, triangle formula is derived from a parallelogram or a rectangle, where its area is length times height, or length times width, or base times height. You'll see those terms kind of interchanged. But when you split that in half, you get 2 triangles. So that's why we divide by 2 for the area of a triangle. Don't forget to do that. That's a very common mistake that I see. So my base, which would be 7, times my height. And remember, the height creates that 90-degree angle. You see that in the red here. That height creates a 90-degree angle with the top and the bottom of my triangle. Base 7 times height 10 divided by 2. So 7 times 7 would give me 70, and 70 divided by 2 would be 35. That would be for one side. What I need to do is I need to multiply that by 4, since I have 4 sides. So if I took 35 and I multiplied it by 4, that would give me 140 meters squared for my side areas. And then I just need to add my bottom to that, which I got was 49. So here's my bottom, here's my sides. So sum them or add them together for a total of 189 meters squared for the surface area of this square pyramid. Follow those same steps, and for the on your own problems here, 1 through 3, please pause the video now to try them out. All right, for the first one, your bottom, you should come up, or your base, 2 times 2 is 4. For your triangle side, you should get 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. And then times 4, since there's 4 sides, would give you 12. So 4 plus 12 will give you 16 feet squared. All right. Same strategy would be used for both 2 and 3 as the same strategy for the first example and this first on your own. So I'm just going to give you the answers here. And if you don't quite get them, make sure you come ask. Number 2, you should arrive at 75 centimeters squared. And number 3, looks like some type of fancy candle. You should come up with 44.8 inches squared for the surface area of that candle. Like I said, if you didn't arrive at these answers, please come ask for some help. All right, the other type of triangle that you might encounter is other type of pyramid you might encounter is a triangular pyramid, where your base is a triangle. Notice here how the base is a triangle. So that's really the only difference. Make sure now when you're finding your base, you're using the triangle formula, not the square formula. So here in for my base, I've got a base of 6 feet times a height of 5.5. So I'm going to label this the bottom. 6 times 5.5, or excuse me, 5.2 is 31.2. And when I divide that by 2, I come up with 15.6. 15.6 feet squared. And the side, one side triangle, I would have a base of, what is my base here? Well, you can see that it's the same on every side. All sides are the same. So if this base was 6, then this base is 6. So it would be 6 times my height is 8 divided by 2. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 divided by 2 would give me 24 feet squared. And that's for one side. And in this problem, I have 1, 2, 3 triangles for my sides. So I'll multiply 24 by 3 to come up with 72 for the area of my 3 triangular sides. I'll add that to my bottom base. So 72 plus 15.6. And that will give me a total surface area of, that's kind of messy, surface area, SA, 87.6 feet squared for the surface area of this triangular pyramid. For the on your owns, same method that we just did. A triangle base and then 3 sides. Go ahead and pause the video now to try 4, 5, and 6. All right, for number 4, it should arrive at 10.7 centimeters squared. Number 5, 129.6 inches squared. And lastly, number 6, 533 yards squared. Let me know if you have any questions on those. And we're done for the day. Like I said, it was just those 2 examples for surface areas of pyramids. We have square pyramids and triangular pyramids. Make sure you're just keeping those 2 separate and remembering your formulas for areas of triangles. Good luck on 8.3. I'll see you next time.